welcome back to Small Fabulous Home channel. As I mentioned in my previous video, it's time for bathroom ideas and advices. Welcome to my bathroom project. When you start from a blank canvas, it is way easier to build. So even if you live in your own home or even a rental, that moment of now what? Where do you start from? What do you actually need? How can you be sure that you stay in your budget and get the right things? And rarely do we ever think of the bathroom. So I did some research, and here are the things you should know about a new bathroom. Once we moved out of our rental and moved into our own home, our small apartment, flat, condo, what? Let me pause for a second. What is the difference between these words? English is not really my friend right now. So, Senior Google, help me. Apartment is a term that's widely used around the world to describe a self-contained unit in a strata-titled property. What is widely called an apartment in the US is commonly called a flat in British English. Flat is a term which tends to be more commonly used to describe affordable housing at the lower price ranges, particularly relating to public housing. A condominium is now widely seen as a luxurious property which offers much more facilities and appealing characteristics, blah blah blah. Okay, so now, I live in an apartment. Going back, once in our own home, I realized I had no idea what I should have in the bathroom. Yes. Pinterest is never-ending inspiration, and would also take this moment to mention my Pinterest page is up and running and full of ideas. Find the link in the description box below. And eventually reality hits you. You cannot afford the things you see there, or as most of the times your space is much smaller, so all the nice things you see on Pinterest wouldn't fit. Let's start with the basics. What you should have in a new bathroom: the toilet and water tank, the basin and the shower or a bathtub. These are mandatory stuff you should have when buying and renting. If anything is missing, ask why. Maybe they haven't installed it yet, but don't get fooled. Heard many stories that the constructor, owner, whatever would say something like, it will be scheduled to be installed tomorrow. Don't sign anything before seeing them installed and perfectly functioning. Also, you should have any type of ventilation unless the bathroom has a window. This is very important. As a tip here, you should buy a ventilator for your new bathroom. It is more effective, so add this to your shopping list. If you're renting, ask your landlord to install one. It's not really that expensive. Okay, so moving on to the second basic items, let's start the shopping list. Here are some items to add on the list as being quite mandatory. A mirror. They come in so many shapes and forms. Also, these new LED ones are so cool. Adjustable shower bar. Our problem when we were renting is that the shower was placed too high or too low and we couldn't move it. It was so annoying. These adjustable bars are so great and everyone in the house will love it regardless of their height. The next item would be a shower curtain pole. This part is for those that have a bathtub. And in this case, it doesn't matter if you're renting or buying. These poles are extendable and they don't need fixing in the wall at all. A towel rack. Yes, you really need this. You need to be able not just to hang the towel because it will never dry like that. It would be better to take the towel outside to dry under the sun, but we all know that never actually happens. There are racks that you can buy to hang at the back of the door if you are renting, and if you're in your own place, well, have fun with it. There are so many options out there. I would say that having this type of radiators would actually be most beneficial. You might find in stores these kind of circle towel holders. As much as they look stylish, we had one of these in our hotel room, and not even the small hand towel would be fully dried. So bear this in mind when going out shopping. Let me know your take on this. Do you like them? Do you hate them? Do you think they're useful? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, the shower curtain. I consider this as the key art in your bathroom. It will bring much personality and it will set the flow of the room, especially if you have a small bathroom like ours. The next item would be a bathroom bin or a trash can, whatever you want to call it. Yes, it's one of those stuff that it's really needed in the bathroom. The laundry basket. If you happen to have a small home like I do, laundry rooms don't exist. Or given the fact that most of us are home, you probably transformed it into a home gym. So for small fabulous homes, a laundry basket is needed in the bathroom. The toilet seat. I would say if you're renting, this is the first and most important thing you really need to change, or maybe that's just me, but I just don't feel comfortable and I don't think it's hygienical to use something that has been used by someone you don't know before. Bathroom accessories, you might or might not find them in a rental place. They are quite essential and you do need them. I would suggest not spending a lot of money on the first set that you ever get. They are very cute and could be found in so many colors and forms, but stick to the budget. You can change them in time, or even better, find something in the house that could replace them. The shower caddies. Now, this is useful if you happen to have a shower-only bathroom. You shouldn't put your shower products on the floor. Get a caddy to have them all at hand. In case you have a bathtub, I believe you can live without it and save some money, as you have room on the side of the tub where you can keep all these products. These were the basic things that you should have in your bathroom just to have a starting point. I will give you more details on what you should or shouldn't store in your bathroom in the next video, so please subscribe and click that bell button to be notified on the new video. Also would like to hear from you. What do you think that is mandatory to have in a bathroom? Leave your comments below. Sharing is caring. Please like this video and share with your friends. See you on Pinterest and Instagram. Until next time, have a great day from Small Fabulous Home.